money, huddle, gotta cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter.
Goodie everybody, it's your girl Jazz. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I'm kind of pressed for time. I never do these videos right, but I feel like that's how y'all know who I am. It's 11:22 and we have to be on the road by 12, 1 depending. But we are going out of town for my baby's birthday. Right now I am packing. As you can see, it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess in here. My darling girl is about to be 2 years old. Stop playing. People, you showing up. Let them see you. Let them see you. Let them see you showing up. Let them see you showing up. I found these cute little rings. These are my nails. I did them. My hands are looking very ashy. I just took a shower and haven't moisturized, as you can tell. So I have their clothes packed. It's just mine that are not packed, obviously. Always happens to me. Yeah, so. Yeah. Okay, cool. I really wish I had some like cute little shorts because it gets really hot. I mean really freaking hot in San Antonio, Texas. I got my pretty mommy a cute little purse that she's gonna wear with her outfits. This was nothing but 10 bucks. $10.99. 11. Alright, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here and then I'll come back to y'all. Okay, I'm finally ready. I don't like the way my lace is looking, but oh well. I love these shades. Solo Vegan sent me these shades in a cute little box with other goodies, but I think I'm gonna wear these all weekend because I love shades like this. I love slim, sleek shades. I feel like they fit my face so well. But we're about to get ready to go. We're about to head out. This is the fit. I'm wearing a dress because it's hot. Okay, so we finally made it. We're here. Bless you. But right now, we're just gonna chill, get settled in and whatnot. We're headed to go get something to eat. We're going to, where are we going? We're going to an Indian restaurant. We're going to eat because we're starving. We haven't eaten all day.
I ain't had no signal.
Hey, my crew, hey, surf on, wave, pop it, sippin' acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, like an acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on the refund, working that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep her get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on
the PJs on. Wow. You're so pretty. Look. Yeah. Good morning. It is Saturday. And we're about to get ready to head to the zoo. What is this? Say good morning, Papa. Good morning. Ooh, I gotta clean your nose. Hey, handsome. Yeah. I'll see y'all when we get there. It's so hot. And when I say it's hot, I mean it's hot. Like, we've been here for like 45 minutes and I'm already sweating. Oh, they done moved them.
Good. They're in the same boat as horses as far as I'm concerned. You can't.
Ooh, big boys. Back to the hotel, and me and Bae are going on date night. So I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup because I need a little bit of makeup if I want my picture to come out right. Hold on, pause, scratch that. I'm gorgeous just the way I am. I want to put on makeup. I like makeup. Go on, keep it cute, girl. I should have brought my ring light. The lighting is not that good in here. I had to buy some more brushes and some makeup sponges because the ones that I packed, I left behind. So I was too busy packing my baby's things, and I was moving too quickly, and I left my own things. Okay, I am finally ready. This is the fit. Ooh, my man got me these. My man got me these. Nice and purdy, nice and purdy. Let's go out and have some fun.
Just something dangerous. I like selling cane. Let me ride with you, yeah. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm gonna pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it all. I wanted to see this.
Okay, first shot. Hey, crack a buzz ball. It's such a lovely night, such a beautiful night. My booski, my man. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie. The drinks that they had at their restaurants are strong. I'm sorry if I'm slurring my words. They not feeling it like I'm feeling it. But I'm a breastfeeding mom, so I don't drink as much. This is definitely a night that was needed because we haven't had date night since when? Like a genuine date night for a while. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, we're getting ready to check out. We're about to go get some breakfast at this I love this breakfast spot. They have like the best breakfast. It's so good, so tea, so nice. Then we're going to, I think we're still going to the outlet mall. I'm not sure. Are we still going to the outlet mall? So we're gonna go to the outlet mall and then we're gonna head home. Last night was a ball. I had a time, honey. We had a time. A time was had. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the breakfast spot.